everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Poulan 220 Pro popular firewood cutting chainsaw. This one features a 16-inch bar and chain. It is a sprocket nose in the bar. And we'll look at some of the features this has. Kill switch is on the left. Choke is on the right. Blue button. Side load on your gas and oil reservoirs. Has a vibration isolation motor mount. You see you have a little give there. Very smooth cutting. Working chain brake. Just a very popular little saw for your farm use or some firewood cutting.